Now we discuss about gravimetry. Introduction. The term gravimetry pertains to a weight measurement. Gravimetric method is one in which the analysis is completed by weighing operation. Gravimetric analysis is a group of analytical methods in which the amount of analyte is determined by the measurement of the mass of a pure substance containing the analyte. Gravimetric method can also be defined as quantitative methods based on the determining the mass of pure compound to which analyte is chemically related. Next is types of gravimetric analysis. There are two main types of gravimetric analysis. First is precipitation and second is voltization. First, precipitation. Analyte must first be converted to a solid, means precipitate. By precipitation with an appropriate reagent, the precipitates from solution is filtered, washed, purified and weighed. Voltization. Second is, in this method, the analyte or its decomposition product are voltized and then collected and weighed, or alternatively, the mass of the voltized product is determined indirectly by the loss of mass of the sample. Example for precipitation: calcium can be determined gravimetrically by precipitation of calcium oxalate and ignition of the oxalate ion to calcium oxide, Ca plus C2O4 2 minus, Ca C2O4. Ca C2O4 is CO plus CO2 plus CO. The precipitate thus obtained are weighed and the mass of calcium oxide is determined. Then example for voltization: the analyte or its decomposition product are voltized at a suitable temperature. The volatile product is then collected and weighed. That is, the mass of the product is indirectly determined from the loss in the mass of the sample. Example: water can be separated from most inorganic compounds by ignition. The evolved water can then be absorbed on any one of the several solid desiccants. The weight of water evolved may be calculated from the gain in the weight of the adsorbent. Now, all the insoluble precipitates are well suited for gravimetric analysis. Criteria for a successful determination. For a successful determination in gravimetric analysis, the following criteria should be met. The desired substance must be completely precipitated. In most determination, the precipitate is of such a low solubility that losses from dissolution are negligible. An additional factor is the common ionic phase is further decreased to solubility of the precipitate. The low solubility of AgCl is reduced further by the excess of Cl minus, which is added force to the reaction to proceed towards right side. Advantages of gravimetric analysis: accurate and precise. Gravimetric analysis is potentially more accurate and more precise than a volumetric analysis. Possible sources of errors can be checked. Gravimetric analysis avoids problems with temperature fluctuation, calibration errors, and other problems associated with volumetric analysis. It is absolute method and relatively inexpensive. Disadvantage: but there are potential problems with gravimetric analysis that must be avoided to get good results Proper lab technique is critical, careful and time consuming. Then scrupulously clean glassware, very accurate weighing and co-precipitation. Properties of precipitate. The PPT should be so insoluble that no significant loss occurs during filtration and washing. The physical nature of PPT should be such that it can be easily separated by filtration. The PPT should be stable to atmospheric condition. The PPT must be convertible to pure compound of definite composition either by ignition or by simple chemical operations such as evaporation. Have large crystals, be free of contaminants. Thank you.